Hello, my name is Patharapanchitra Pirom. Today I will talk about my projects with the brilliant code. The name of my project is Wi-Fi Authentication, and the table of content is abstract and system design and system architecture and system implementation and performance summary of the project. Okay, the abstract in the Broen Corp is the networking company and provide the data center related service. This project I'm working on is about creating the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi authentication. I use the method for the accessing Wi-Fi like DOS1X. The behavior of the fun egg is the standard that has been to the verify and certify user or authentication user. Yes, use the Radiant server or authentication server and log in with the username and the passwords that have been set. Each with user you must verify they identify every time. They access the system as the evidence that you have to access the system with the IP address and anytime to the establish security before the user and organization use this Wi-Fi. Yes. Okay. The next is the system design. The system design of the DOS1X. Okay, in this picture is how how to the DOS1X work. Yes, and the DOS1X is the have the client and client when the client want to use the Wi-Fi. Yes, and the client that's subject send the data to the wireless controller or the authenticator, and authenticator send the data to the switch, and switch send the data from to the Radiant server. Yes, and so that's the Radiant server send back again and switch send back again, and in this wireless controller or the VRC send the IP for the user can use the Wi-Fi and use the internet. Yes. Okay, and the next is the system architecture. System architecture in this company, there will be below clouds that distribute the internet to the wireless controller that will manage the access point or AC and create web authentication in all three formats. And the AP also distribute IP to the switch in the with the switch create and the directory. Okay, so it is the below cloud and send the internet to the wireless controller, and wireless controller is has so can use the internet, and so I make the SSID for the Wi-Fi authentication three type. Oh no, not three type or three name. So it's a web authentication and pre-share key and the .1x, and the next is the wireless controller is send the data to the switch, and the switch make the active directory for this project. Okay, and system implementation. System implementation is one the installation is the complete will show the Wi-Fi and you will be able to log in the web page. The username and the password will be as set the previous installation process. Okay, in the picture, and when you want to use the web UI, you select the Wi-Fi for the asset controller show for you. Yes, and the next step is the when you log in, when you use the Wi-Fi name of the Cisco, and the pop-up about the create the SSID for the Wi-Fi. That's okay. The next, the refresh the new page and log in again. Enter username and passwords is your set for the previous set. Yes. Okay. And the next step is in the picture is the show the dashboard information in the system. Yes. And the next step is after that press at the button. When you click at the button as to Wi-Fi that one X authentication. Yes, and the next step is you set the SSID of the Wi-Fi for the one X authentication. Yes, and the next is yes. So uh, I want to use the MGMT for the make all the three different types, not the same. Yes. Okay, and the next is the after that go to at the VLAN and enter the security. Click that and go to the layer 2 and use scrolling the mouse. Yes, and you click that uh, that one X type for the create the that one X type or the one X authentication. Okay, and next is then select the authentication as a radian. In the radian is I set the previous page, and the next is okay, sorry. And the next step is the complete the setting on the web page. Okay, so the last step is can be seen that the security level of the all three model are not the same, which will have the following name is the web authentication equal to the VIP, the name of Wi-Fi, yes, and the pre-share key is the user name of user of the Wi-Fi, and the .1x is the MGMT, the Wi-Fi, yes. Okay, and the performance summary. The .1x summary in this section shows the MGMT Wi-Fi name to the login and enter the password if it the correct will upload the certificates and press trust and will be able to the connect internet and you can use the internet. Yes, thank you.